Hey guys, it's me, Whitney. Just want to let you know that it is raining at my house. I live in Arizona, but here is where the cool thing about rain. You probably can't tell it's raining on my camera, but you go to a certain house or something like that. I definitely felt a drop when I walked by but you could definitely see it on the ground. Pretty cool. I really wish to hear that. That's a plane going by. And I definitely think it's raining harder because look, the ground gets wetter faster. I'm not a very good vlogger, but hey, just wanted to make a quickie little vlog. Hopefully you can get this vlog really cool. Just wanted to see. So all I want to say, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next week. I don't know if you can see it, but I can get the sun to not reflect. Maybe I could go away from the sun. You could see. Anybody see water drops? I'm gonna go closer, but I don't want to get my camera wet, but just wanted to make a quickie little vlog. Give this a thumbs up. Arizona, cool weather. Feels like 70 degrees. Great place to live. Season, just wanted to make you wanna look at the wind is blowing. You can tell by the string holding up. You can definitely tell that it's windy. Just remember, let's go over here. If I could go to the sunlight and face it to the sunlight, you probably could see it raining. Can you see it raining? So give it a thumbs up. I will see you later.